Crazy. Hey, we didn't lose any water. Oh, oh, there goes a little bit. That felt like a what do you call foreshock?